from Daily Forex. This is Chris taking a look at the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100. And you can see that the S&P 500 has had another humdinger of a day. We initially broke down rather significantly, but the Fed came out in early afternoon in New York and said that they're going to start a bond portfolio of the largest companies in the United States, and we've had a complete turnaround since then. The announcement, of course, was timed in such that it was only the U.S. traders on board, and it created the maximum amount of turnaround. Now, if you're detecting a little bit of sarcasm in my voice, that's by design, because this isn't necessarily a good thing per se. I mean, price discovery is now dead. But having said that, it is the market that we're dealing with. So if we can break above the top of the candlestick from the trading session on Friday, it will open up the door to 3,200 as it will bust this inverted hammer. The 200-day and the 50-day EMA are underneath. More importantly, there's a cluster of trading that we tagged right before they jumped in. Some of the best technical analysts in the world evidently work in the Federal Reserve press release department because they timed it just right. But nonetheless, all of that being said, I mean, we're in an uptrend, so that hasn't changed. Clear the highs of the last couple of days. We've got further to go. NASDAQ 100, kind of the same situation here. And, I would even suggest that this upward kind of channel thing that we've been in is still there. 9,500 offered support. I think we're going to try to break the top of the candlestick on Friday, test 10,000. If we can make above the recent highs, then we just continue grinding upwards. Again, this is an index that's moved by, a handful of stocks. I think it's like the top four are like 33% of the index. So again, you're not trading 100 stocks. You're trading Tesla, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. That's what you're trading. The rest of it doesn't even matter. Now, those are 6 stocks, and I think those 6 are like 43%. So it really doesn't matter what the 80th company in the NASDAQ 100 does, whatever that is. So keep that in mind. That is one way to look at this, and therefore, perhaps glean a little bit more in the way of profits. Buying on dips continues to work. I think we are just going to continue more of the same.